teleported.
Come on. Time for our Saturday donut at the Popular Donuts. Alright, so we just came out of Popular Donuts. We got what we wanted, but they did not have what Mommy had, so maybe they'll have it at Starbucks. Yes, we gotta get our Starbucks, huh? Gotta have it. What do you guys think? Whoa. Alright, so we got a watermelon.
Daddy, I already brushed my teeth today.
I'm gonna cut this watermelon in half. I want you guys to watch, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna cut this watermelon in half, and I'm not gonna use the knife.
Hey,
I'm gonna do it with my hand.
you know my son?
Ready?
I just got a brand new dog.
Ow.
I just
Here you go.
got it.
You ready?
Yeah. I'm brushing my teeth while I'm watching. Get the knife.
What is that over there? Ah! Look it.
Huh?
I cut it.
What is he? That's cool.
That is power right there. Power.
Eat it.
All right, here it goes, you guys. I'm gonna do it again. Ready?
Yeah.
Ha! That right there. That's power. What do you think? Were you impressed by that, Alicia? Were you impressed? What are you doing? What up, Mia? Yeah, the sprinklers just came on that we pulled in. All right. Mia's got some awesome watermelon. That's the watermelon that Daddy broke with his bare hands, huh? Because I'm powerful like that. Let's see. Okay. All right, we're gonna watch Mia. We're watching Sharknado, so we're gonna go ahead and finish it. What? This fan is quitting? I think this fan completely died.
Sharknado 2. It's over.
Yeah, I think it died.
It goes on 2.
On 2? There we go.
Oh, it's just on 2.
What is wrong with this? Okay, we're watching Sharknado, right? The heck is that? For Sharknado 2. We watched Sharknado 2 yesterday.
It's so good.
I don't think Sharknado 3 is playing yet, but I think you're gonna have to tell me where we left off because it's not letting me play from where we were watching it at the Walla Walla house.
I love Sharknado 3. I mean, 2.
Oh, look at that! Look at all those! Look at all those sharks! Crazy, huh?
Is this the beginning again?
Yeah. I'll fast forward. You're gonna have to tell me where we left off.
Oh, I know where we left off. I know where we left off. Where he was. Go ahead, Mom.
What? I wasn't trying to do nothing.
Thank you for...
Mommy's looking through all her school stuff.
Remember Sharknado?
Scare her. Scream. Ready? 1, 2. Ah, you scared me. I didn't see mommy coming.